All right, so we're just going to have a quick look at one of the entry level 3 maths papers. This is the non-calculated paper, and this is actually taken from the sample assessment material that we were given. I'm just doing this really as a lesson to kind of pull you back in, remind you of where we're going to be aiming. And it's also really to take a lot of the panic away from the idea that, oh my God, I'm going to have missed stuff and we're going to have to do exams. Don't panic. We've got you. So this is a 25-minute paper, but really this video is not 25 minutes long. Calm down. Then moves into a new fact. These are the amounts she spends on each month on rent and bills. So £679 in rent, 138 in bills. Calculate the total of these amounts. So when they say the total, they mean add them together. And it's a 2-point question. So for those 2 points, let's have a look at what they're looking for. So it's saying the examiner explains the question and key information written in bold. You have got area to show your workings. And for you to get 2 points, the 2 marks, they actually want to see you doing this sum here. And then putting the full answer here. That will give you the full point. So in this one, it's 679 plus 138. 679, 138. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 down, carrying the 1. 7 plus 3, plus the 1 that you've carried, is 11. So 1 down, carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So the answer should be £817. Then puts DVDs on the shelves. Good for her. She has 236 DVDs. Okay, that's a fair few. Each full shelf has 28 DVDs. How many full shelves of DVDs does Lynn have? And how many DVDs are left over? So with this, what we're looking at is division. We're looking at working out how many complete sets of 28 she has in total and how many are left over after that. So it shows here full shelves of DVDs. This is a 3-part question, 3-point question. So you're going to have to show how many full shelves she has, how many DVDs are left over. There's a lot of information here. This is what the examiner is really looking for. Award 1 mark for a valid process. That means showing that you know what they're asking for. No number of full shelves given or DVDs left over given. So even if you don't give the answer, if you're showing that you understand how to get the answer, even if you've not got the right answer, you're still getting a point. Award 2 marks for indicating the correct number of full shelves or DVDs left over. And then, oh, where are you gone? And then the final part is 3 parts for if you have got no process shown, but you've got the correct answers, or valid process, the correct method of getting the answer, plus the correct number of full shelves, or the other answer, the leftovers, or a not very good process, but you have the right answers. So the valid process is 236 divided by 28, which works out as 8 full shelves with 12 DVDs left over. What I am going to do in a future lesson is talk about methods for division, because I know that is something that a lot of people struggle with, not just you. We're talking about even maths teachers struggle with division. It's just about finding you a right method that works for you. That's it. Don't panic. So Lynn pays for an internet contract. Good on her. Internet contract, £27 each month for 18 months. How much will Lynn pay in total for the internet contract? So this is a multiplication question. They're saying 27 lots of 27 times, no, the other way around, 18 lots of £27. So even I get it wrong, don't panic. Show your working and answer in the box below. So again, we've got valid process, which means you know what they're asking for. And then the total itself. If the answer is given clearly, even if it's not in the answer box, you may have to give the point. Valid process means any method that is complete and correct. Information in brackets is optional and is not required for the marks. And Lynn wants to buy cleaning liquid for the flat. She can choose one large bottle or two small bottles. Does one large bottle have more liquid than two small bottles? You must show your working. So 1 litre, this is a measurement question. 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. The question really is saying, is 429 plus 429 more or less than 1,000 millilitres? Again, you've got to show your answer. So it's saying here, the valid process to compare capacities is you're comparing them. You're saying, this one bigger than that one or not. So 429 plus 429, then comparing it with 1,000. And that's all for now. But again, future lessons will be on division methods, multiplication methods, and for those who are aiming at level 1 or level 2, we're going to be looking at BIDMAS. Thank you, and really hope to see you soon.